Are you ready to get fucked up? No. Oh, hey, what's up, you guys? Yes, we are going to blow up my house once again. We have not succeeded at that. We've gotten close. Oh my god! Holy sh**! Ah, but not close enough. I want a Twitter moment. I want to go to Twitter, I want to click on moments, and I want to see Shane Dawson died in a house fire. I was on a plane the other day and Nick Carter from the Backstreet Boys was in front of me, and I thought the plane was gonna crash because it was like a lot of turbulence, and I was like, oh my god, we're gonna die. But what made me even more sad was I was like, oh my god, he's gonna be a Twitter moment before me. Like, it's gonna be like, Nick Carter died in a plane crash, and some YouTube guy died too. That's fucked. So, let's make a moment. Yes, I have a bunch of new things and some old things, but I'm gonna be putting a twist on this. Like, yes, I do have a Barbie, he's a Ken, he's everything that I wish I was that I wasn't, so I'm ready for him to die! Also, he still looks good after a beating, not me. But I thought, how can we make this even better? What if we covered his face with a Pop-Tart wrapper, and then tied it in a knot, put in there, and watched him blow up? That was a fart of excitement. So let's do a quick little haul of everything I have. And honestly, this could also be a what I got for Christmas. Haul music!
These are for color at my chihuahua and ready. She can't breathe and sometimes she passes out. It's worth it because she doesn't get like wet and gross in my color. These are some grapes. I don't know what these are. I'm pretty sure I can shove them in my butt. I love your butt and soak up calories. Well, then I love my butt. It was just poop. I'm trying to burst you. Well, that got gross. These are highlighters. I like to keep these around and highlight my hairs. I got every color of the rainbow because my hair is in 9 colors. I also got the thick ones because, well, most of my hair is flat. Well, then I got these sharpies because my hair needs something new to use on my hair. And so like when I highlight them, I just like put them up with the new brown line. I also got this big thing of aluminum foil. This is another thing I wrap my dog in, which is kind of scary because like when I wrap them in the sun comes out, I cook him. Well, it's pretty gross because I hate meat.
Well, that's all my stuff. Okay, I'm really excited. Let's fucking microwave this. And also, I know a lot of you guys want me to microwave a YouTube play button. I don't have one. I think I did have one at one point, and I think my mom threw it away because she thought it was a big gay Christmas decoration. So like YouTube, if you want to send me like the new play button, I would love to destroy it on camera. Thanks. All right, let's go. Okay, so first I want to start with this Ken doll wrapped in a Pop-Tart wrapper situation, because I feel like that's gonna be the craziest. So let's just take this off. It got something to do with these. And let's grab a rubber band, put the wrapper over his head. This is like if Bethany Moda lost her mind. Hey guys, welcome to my new DIY. So basically what I'm gonna do is just take this Barbie doll, wrap him in foil like he's being strangled to death, put a rubber band around his neck so he can't breathe, and then throw him in the microwave. Let him burn. Check out my merch, link in the description. All right, let's put this motherfucker in the microwave. Look how scary that is. Wow. If only this were real. Okay, here we go. I'm actually kind of nervous about this because I feel like this might start a fire. Also, can we just look at how f***ing gross this is getting? Also, I never explained why I'm wearing just the grossest clothes with holes in them. It's because I have no Okay, let's microwave. All right, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, Cameron Dallas who? I feel like that's something he posts on Instagram to be like relatable. Like when you eat so many Pop-Tarts, you're so turned. When you're at MadCon and one of your crazy stalkers tries to strangle you to death. That one was too real. All right, let's light him up. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! That was everything! That was everything! Yes! Wow, that was great. Okay, should I do it again? What else? Should I cover his whole body? Should I put in his wife? Oh my god, what's even sadder? Should I put in their dog? Let's have a family burning. Okay, now this could be bad because she has hair, so I feel like that could actually catch fire, which is pretty dangerous, so here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god! Wow! That one was even crazier than before. Oh, she still looks good. Wow. If that's not me and Uno, then I don't know what is. Just Uno looking scared, me covering my face. Me also covered in marshmallow cream. Just dead on the floor. Wow, that was great. Good job, Barbie. Okay, so you guys already know that the grapes thing did not work last time, but I looked it up, and I guess if you use cold grapes, it works. So I have these in the fridge. Hopefully we have a near-death situation. I'm just putting the grape in the microwave. Please explode for Daddy. I had a joke, but I'm just gonna keep it. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Come on, come on, come on. What the f***? Oh my god. Why isn't it working? Ugh. All right, put another one in there. Oh, I saw something. Come on, I saw something. Oh. Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! 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 Oh my god! What the f***?
Ooh, that smells really bad. What did I just do? I told you fruit was bad. Fruit and vegetables, don't trust them. Pop-Tarts, trust those. No, I actually think I created a fume that is killing me and my dog. Okay. We'll see you soon, Barbie. Oh my god, okay, I moved the grate and look what happened. It literally, like, completely caught fire on the actual microwave and it up. Good job, grapes. Now you finally have a purpose. Okay, so next I want to try a package of condoms, because I feel like it's made out of the same material as the Pop-Tarts, and also these are huge. Oh my god. Wow, whose dick do you think is that big? Cameron Dallas. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's a lot. Oh well. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I got really scared. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, we're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, me having sex for the first time. It's all a flashback. Wait, what is catching fire? Is it that thing underneath? Okay, I'll move on. 1, 2, 3. Well, okay, that's a fire. That's a fire. That's a fire. That would have been bad. Okay, maybe just one condom. Me on a Friday when I'm being mad as fuck. Okay, just one. Whoa! Okay, we are done with that. Woo! I don't know, I'm like, let's blow my house. And then it starts happening. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. Oh, typical YouTuber. I'll talk. I'll clickbait. Although now I have to call this video. My is on fire? Woo! My is lit. Oh, no. Okay, so I've done the CD before, but I found like a new way to do it where it might work better. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these two clips and then we're going to stand up the CD using the clips like that. Alright, look at that. Who is she? Raising the quality of her content. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Wait, oh, that would have been so pretty that would have fallen over. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, so I just tried to make it stand and it didn't work. So now we're just resting it on top of marshmallow cream and hoping it stays. God, this is slowly beginning to just look like my life. Dead, covered in Pop-Tarts, holding my dog, food everywhere. The only thing that's different is this box of Pop-Tarts that's full because this should be empty. Alright, here we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh god, okay, alright. Wow, that was beautiful. Also, the smell is poisonous. When the box are too fire. Okay, so I saw Joey do this video. I did not watch it because I didn't want to give it away. But he put Sharpies in the microwave, and I'm hoping that something really scary happens. Knowing Joey, it probably like exploded a rainbow when it was nails, and he's like, Minute, but like for me, I just like lights my hair on fire, burns all my hair off, and I'm like, Minute. Then I would like never have to wash my hair. Alright, so I'm thinking that maybe we should put in like all of them, because that seems smart. Alright, let's just put in these. What a gay pride explosion. You know, some people go pray, some people give money to a gay charity. I put rainbow Sharpies in the microwave and hope it explodes. And you know what? I feel good about that. Because I'm trying to explode intolerance. That's why I just want to explode. Let's go! Okay, I'm gonna stand kind of far away. Okay. What's gonna happen? Because baby on fire! Come on, it's colors burst! Oh my god, colors burst. That's not amazing. That's not bad. That's something. Alright, this isn't working, so I'm gonna take a few of them out. Maybe we could just put in one. Okay, so there's just one yellow one in there. See how it goes. Literally nothing's happening! Okay, so I just took a little break and I watched Joey's video. And it's fucking Sharpies exploded! Look! Wait, what did it do? Are you kidding me? Why does Joey have everything that I don't? Oh, it's crystals. Alright, well let's put some foil in there. This is actually the worst idea ever because this is like the thing you're literally never supposed to put in, so. Let's do it! Okay, so I got the little sheet of foil. Let's see how it goes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh. 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 Come on. Oh. Woo! Oh, that's fine. Okay, we're ready to go. Woo! Okay, we're done. Bye! Okay, wait, anyways, nobody's crazy about this stacking. I thought literally my kitchen was gonna explode. Which is why I'm really done. Seriously, I can't go home. I'm already here. Okay, so I feel like that's kind of it. I don't really have anything else. Ooh, no. Maybe we should do like the greatest hits. Like put a condom on Barbie, put her in a Pop-Tart, put a grape in her pussy, and fucking have a scene in the background. That's Barbie. Alright, Barbie, ready for this? What a dream life. Do you want to do like Barbie? You want to go to the microwave, Daddy? You covered in a condom and Pop-Tarts? You're so bored of me. Oh, wow. You would literally rather be asleep having a nightmare than be awake. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.